better than I did in that last clip. All I did was do my hair and I look like a whole new person. But I need to hurry up and wash my sheets before my sister comes home because she might try to wash her stuff first and I'm gonna wash my stuff first. So I'm gonna set you guys up and I don't remember what I was supposed to tell you, but I'll tell you whatever I was supposed to tell you in like a minute or something. So I did end up remembering. It's these new pajamas. I can't even like see myself, but this is it. Now I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, now I need to sort my clothes for when that's finished. I usually don't sort my clothes, I just wash them all at once, but this time I have like a lot of whites. So I guess I'll sort it out. But I won't keep you here for that because that's super boring. So yeah. Okay. So I know I've been doing a lot of hauls, but I also got these new shorts. I'll put a picture up of what they looked like on, I got them off Depop. They look like kid shorts and they said size medium because they looked so small. I just assumed that they were kid shorts, but they're like way too big around my waist, but they're super cute and they're like the perfect length and they fit like all down here, but just the waist and like a little bit below the waist don't fit. So now I just don't know what to do about that because I really like them and I don't think I know any tailors around here, so yeah. Once again, I remember what I was going to tell you. So yesterday, Sunday, I ordered stuff from Amazon, and usually it'll tell me like I'll get an email or I'll get some sort of like delivery notification that it got here, but I didn't get one. So I think it was delivered either like later in the afternoon because when they like take the picture, it was still like light outside, so it was definitely during the day. And then I checked that night to see like if my stuff was coming today, and it said that it had already been delivered. And I was like, do I leave it out there all night or just do I go get it now? And I was gonna get it, but my front door, it was like, what time? I think it was like 1:30 at night, and my front door is really loud. So I was like, I don't think I want to wake up like the whole house just to get my package that's, you know, still gonna be there in the morning. But I literally went to bed early and I was just thinking about it all night. Well, I didn't go to bed early, but like I went to bed earlier and I was thinking about it, and first thing this morning I got up and I got it, and thankfully it was still there. But that's what I meant to tell you. And then in a second I'll show you something that I got. I don't think it's Monday either. Like, tell the camera. Okay guys, so I just did a little bit of makeup. I just did some lips, blush, and mascara. And right now I'm gonna go outside to get a package that I have before it starts raining again. And then I'll show you guys everything that I got. Okay guys, so I just got my package from Morphe. I got a palette. I'm actually kind of mad because, not mad, but just like, I got it, I thought it was brand new, but it's apparently like a couple months old, so whatever. But I got it and I was like, oh, I mean, I guess I was right because it did sell out, but it was only $22. But when I checked back on Morphe website, because they were having like a 60% off sale, It was only $50, but it was only up for like a day, and then it was sold out. So I was like, I'm glad I got it, but I wish I waited a little bit more, because we were having that like 60% off sale. And I was like, dang it, but you know, whatever. So let me show you what I got. This is the first thing I'll show you. Nicely wrapped. Look. I got the, it's backwards again. I got the Coca-Cola 1971, not like the other one, not like the red one that they have, like not the collection that they have, but this palette right here. I'll put like the shades on the screen. That's super cute. Okay, everything else is in this little white box bag. All the new stuff. Okay, so what I just got yesterday is some eyelash glue. I heard on, I'll put a picture of it on screen, on TikTok, that that's like one of the best eyelash glues. But I also heard that like eyelash glues like this are hard to get off your lashes, so hopefully that isn't a problem. So I was interrupted before because I don't even know what's going on, but like this is too much for me. I don't even miss those school days. Anyways, I have this pineapple. But I'm gonna finish the haul now, so you guys can see all the rest of the stuff that I got. Okay, I just had a little snack break, but those lash glue, what's the last thing? I already showed you guys this, I think in my last video it would have been. First pack of makeup brushes, that's what I was saying. And then I got another pack of makeup brushes, eyelashes. I got 2 palettes from Shein. I think I'll do like a review of them on my channel later. Eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. And then I got 2 lip pencils, which is right here. It's like stuck in my teeth, but oh, and mascara. So that's it for right now. I don't know what I'm gonna do besides I need to put my other laundry in the washing machine and put the other one in the dryer, and then just clean up myself a little bit. Okay guys, I'm eating dinner now. I'm eating pretty light tonight, so I'm just gonna have a bag of this like quinoa. It's backwards again, so my bad. But quinoa, and then I'm gonna have some of the pineapple that I was eating earlier, and then if I want something sweet, then I'll have either cookies or ice cream, leftover ice cream. But just really cold right now, so I'm trying to eat so I can get back in bed, because now I'm tired. I've been up all day, not really, but like for most of the day, and now I'm tired. So okay guys, so I have finished taking pictures. I meant to show you guys me getting ready a little bit, and me taking pictures, but I'll show you what I shot in. Don't mind the mess if you can see it, but I shot in this really cute blue bikini right here, and then I had knee-high boots that I was wearing, and I was gonna film the bikini haul today, but I think I'm just gonna do it Monday. I will hold myself accountable and I will shoot it on Monday, but now I'm just gonna clean up and chill. So while I clean up, I just want to tell you guys what was happening. I was wearing these boots right here, knee-high, but while I was like taking pictures, I was standing in the grass and I literally got dirt all over the heel. I cleaned it, so that's why it's like a different color. And I'm actually going to return these boots because when you like, you know, like the difference between like a really sturdy heel and like a just like not as sturdy heel. So this back part right here, like where the heel of your foot goes, it's so like flimsy, and I always feel like I'm gonna like fall while I'm walking. They're really comfortable to walk into, but they're just like, I feel like I'm gonna fall, and just knowing me, I feel like I would, and I feel like the heel is gonna snap. So I'm going to take them back, but I did want to take pictures in them first, hence why I'm taking pictures now. It's Saturday and I'm gonna return them or like ship them back on Monday. But I actually got something today, almost forgot. Got this packet of lip liners. It's 39 lip liners. It's from ColourPop. They also have one with like lipsticks, like lip crayon things. I don't know how to open this out. Does it look like 39? I mean, I'm sure it is. Like if I count it, I'm sure it's gonna be 39. But so they look. Oh, they're like kind of melted because it was outside, but I think that's cute. So now I'm really gonna clean up and take off my makeup and all of that. So I just tried one of the lip pencils, and I didn't even mean to like make this shape in my lips, but just the way the pencil is like shaped at the bottom, it makes for like really good precision. So yeah, I just wanted to show you it because if you were thinking about getting some new lip liners, you should get some from ColourPop because they're affordable and they're super pigmented. I didn't mix it though. I mixed the top lip, but either way, it's super cute. So if you're thinking about getting new lip liners, you should go to ColourPop.